Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to do a review on magnetic lashes by Lashine. I started wearing magnetic lashes about 6 months ago, and the reason I started wearing them is because I got sick of spending $180 a month on getting my lashes filled in. As you guys know, in this channel we like to save money as well as time, because the time and the scheduling of having to do my lashes was just too much. But we like to save money over here, and just for me, I just came to a point where it was like spending $180 a month on my lashes was just ridiculous. So these are super affordable. You can buy as many as you want. I'll leave their website down below, but you can buy as many as you want. They're reusable, so I'd highly recommend trying out magnetic lashes because you will save a ton of money. So they're easy to put on for anyone who's like a beginner with makeup or lashes. These are way easier than using lash glue, and they're better for your lashes. So I'm going to go ahead and put on my mascara like I normally would. The great thing about magnetic lashes is that anyone can do it. Like, even if you're like not a lash person, you're not good at putting lashes on, if you can draw a line, if you can put eyeliner on, then you can wear magnetic lashes. And the great thing is they don't damage your lashes like lash glue does. Like lash glue, like over time, especially if you wear it every day, like it does damage your lashes. I don't care what anybody says, because like over time you're gonna end up pulling out your lashes more than you would with just eyeliner. So now that I put on my mascara, I'm just gonna line my lashes like I normally would, like nothing crazy. This one has like a felt tip too, so I feel like felt tips are even easier to use. So, and you can do your line like as thin or as big as you want to do it. And I like this particular model of lash that they sent me because this one looks really natural. So if you're a corporate girl like me, then you don't want something like super dramatic in the daytime, even though I'm known to be a little dramatic. You don't want anything too dramatic. So as you can see, it just looks like regular eyeliner. So also, if you need a little bit more juice on the tip, you can just pump it a little bit and just kind of leave it upside down for about a minute, and more fluid will come out to the tip. Now personally, since the bands are clear, I would recommend going in with your liner and just kind of coloring in the band just so that it doesn't stick out once you apply it. So I'm just going to go ahead and use the piece of paper that came in the box, and I'm just going to color in the lash line. Alright, so now I'm just simply going to apply the lash on top of the eyeliner. It's super simple. You want to try to get it as close to your natural lash line as possible, just so it looks really natural. And that's it. It sticks on just like that, and it's in place. Like, you don't have to worry about it going anywhere. Like, they're not gonna blow off in the wind or anything. They're just gonna sit there looking pretty. Alright, so as you can see, the lashes are on. They're secure, like they're not going anywhere. I can go out in the wind and I'll be fine. Like, these are on securely, and it was super simple. It literally took like a minute to pop both of these on and we're out the door. Also, you can reuse these lashes. I typically get at least 5 or more wears out of my set of lashes. So what I would recommend is purchasing like a few of them when you make your order, so that way you have enough for a little while, and it's going to be a fraction of getting lash extensions. Like lash extensions, even just to start them, can be $150 and up depending on what part of the country you're in. So these lashes definitely get the Saving Sheila seal of approval because they work really good, they're durable, they look great, and they're going to save you a lot of money. These are so easy to use. Anyone can use them. They're user friendly, beginner friendly. So I'd highly recommend checking them out. I'm going to leave the link down below in the description box. If you've never tried magnetic lashes, now is the time, especially since a lot of us can't even get to lash appointments if we wanted to. Now's the time to just be safe, stay at home, order your lashes, and be able to put them on simply in the comfort of your own home. So thank you guys for watching. As always, make sure you're subscribed to my channel and you hit that notification bell if you found this video useful. And I will see you guys soon for another video. Bye.